Hello Aquarius, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and this is your reading for June. In this reading, we're going to take an oracle card and also several tarot cards to give you a message or a general flavour of what June might hold for you or have in store for you. Please remember that this is a message for the collective, so if it doesn't resonate, then also have a look at your rising and or your moon sign, and you may find there's something there for you. So without any further ado, I'm going to start and grab or don't grab, we're going to get an oracle card for you for the month of June. Sorry, pardon my sniffing, I've got a slight cold, maybe even possibly hay fever if I allow it. Right, have courage. Have courage. I always think of that Alice, I can't remember what it was, my daughter watched it. Cinderella. Have courage and be kind, she said, didn't she? So this is have courage, and this is your oracle card for the month of June. So what would the cards like you to have courage about? Let's see if this comes through. I'm going to read. Take 6 cards. If I fall into silence, it's because I'm listening. So just bear with me a second, please, while I get together with the cards. There's one. Oh, that. This feels... We got leadership. I need to get a bigger table where my cards don't all fall over the place. And one more card, please. Nice. Okay. Right, okay, and we start the month with the Emperor. And this tells me that at the beginning of June, you're feeling in charge. You're in charge of things. So you're on top of it all. You're moving forward. You're taking responsibility for things. You're building your empire. You've actually built your empire. You're starting to become very organized about it. The only thing is that you're trying to do it all yourself. So it does feel here that you are trapped of your own making, and you're not delegating, you're not getting, so you're basically ruling it, but you're not delegating. So you're not, you think you're stuck, you're not able to move, you can't really move forward or do all of the things that you plan to do because, you know, you are doing it all yourself. And the cards feel that. It feels like you're not really taking help or seeking advice or getting other people to do things for you to help you run this beautiful kingdom that you have. That's the beginning of the month. So you're in charge, but you're tying yourself up in knots, if that makes sense. Then in the middle of the month, you're just kind of, that's like an energy of coming into the leadership role, but actually I'm kind of tying myself up in knots. Then you make a decision on how you can start to turn a financial opportunity into an income providing opportunity. So that was an awful lot of words. Basically, you make a decision, or you have some you make a decision, because the twos are the decisive side. So you decide to turn something that you see this here, the card where he's crafting away. This is, we call this the apprenticeship card. So he's got a new skill he's putting out into the world, and look, people are noticing it now. So he's doing it well enough for people to be able to see what he's capable of. So you make a decision to put out into the world, or to do this new skill, or to show off your new skills and abilities and put it out there in the world, and it brings you happiness. And it puts the past behind you. How lovely is that? So you happily ever after. And you see this card here. So you are able to put you see the rough waters there, and he's sailing away into smoother waters and a brighter future. So it ends beautifully. I don't quite know what the turning point is, but you seem to have a turning point here. I think the clue is in the fact that you need to have courage and put your work or your skill or whatever it is that you do out there in the world for others to see and to pay for. And that's an amazing reading, Aquarius. But you're having a pretty good time at the moment anyway. Not so much on a day-to-day level, but on a revolutionary level, it feels as if your whole life is evolving. This is your year. Okay, so that's for you for the month of June. Thank you very much, Aquarius.